How to fix sound not working on Samsung Smart TV. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the video, and today I'll go ahead and show you how you can fix any sound problem on your Samsung Smart TV at once. So let's get started. Also, now to fix any kind of sound problem on your Samsung Smart TV, the very first thing that you have to do, from the Samsung TV homepage, or you just need to go all the way to the left side like this, and you'll get to see the settings icon right there. And once you get the settings, go and press the OK button from the remote, and this will get into the settings of your Samsung TV. Now, once you're here inside the settings, you'll get to see the second option, the sound option right here. So you just need to press the side arrow button from the remote, and this will get into the sound settings of your TV. So the very first thing that you have to check out is the sound output. You just need to make sure that the sound output should be selected with the TV speaker. If it's selected with the optical or any other device right here, make sure to select the TV speaker and then press OK, and this will be selected, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. But if in any case, if you still have the problem, then this might be a software bug. So now to fix the problem, you just need to get back once from the settings, and from the main sound settings, you just need to come down to the bottom right here and you'll get to see the export settings. You just need to press OK from the remote, and this will get into the export settings. And from here, you just need to come all the way to the down right here and get to see the option reset sound. You just need to press OK from the button and then select the yes button from here and then press OK once again from the remote. And once you do that, this will reset all the sound settings and it will get back to the default, and most likely your sound problem will be fixed. And this is how you actually can fix any kind of sound problem on your Samsung Smart TV. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.